Hello everybody, welcome back to 024 Reviews. Today we're going to be reviewing another Stiizy pod. My bad, excuse me for stuttering. This is from a dispensary in Port Wainimi from Skunk Masters. Obviously already used a little. We have the red edition for the battery, of course. And this is my mother's preferred cart. It's Strawberry Cough, a sativa, and it's really bomb, really sweet. We'll give it a try here. Or first we'll smell it, right? Very strawberry jammy kind of, maybe like some strawberry like paste in between a cookie. That's kind of what it smells like. Going off taste, alone, it's pretty sweet. Tastes very like, I don't know, very well described. Like, what is a strawberry cough? I'm not sure, but this is what it would taste like. You know, I like it. It's good. It tastes pretty dang fine. Of course, this shit will get you fucking baked. I'm not currently baked, but I take a couple of hits of these, and I'm telling you, I'll get fucked up. This is a half gram, and for some reason I feel like it lasts a lot longer than Rove. And yeah, like I said, I'll probably make a video reviewing how Rove's, not as good. But I'm sorry, gun game's going off. Here's a little trick for you, right? This isn't anything special, by the way. Lock him out. Thank you everybody for watching. This is the Strawberry Cough Sativa half gram Stiizy pod. Thank you for watching. Later.